We've just got to camp, starting to get a little bit dark, and we've realised it's time to get some lights out. Nothing better than the new Narva ALS range that we've just released. Got a couple of different ones that we've brought along on the trip. These three here are part of our Bluetooth speaker range. We've got a small, a medium and a large, 600 lumen, 2000 lumen and up to 5000 lumen, all adjustable, all Bluetooth speakers. The two medium-sized ones here actually power banks as well, so you can charge your phone off it, which is really, really handy. We've charged a couple of the guys' phones while we've been here. Been a really, really handy tool. We then move along to our head torches. We've got two head torches that we brought here. We've got the first one here, which is a two-stage floodlight. Goes directly on your head and is detachable as well. Magnetic, chuck it on the side of the car whilst you're setting up. All USB rechargeable. We then move on to the larger of the headlights. This one here has two-stage spot or flood beam. Also comes with a beam underneath, which once on your head illuminates below you. Also rechargeable, detachable, and the best feature that we find is they're censored. Wave on, wave off sensor. Really, really handy if you've got your hands all muddy and dirty, picking up logs, trying to sort yourself out. Unfortunately, if you happen to be winching yourself out at night, you don't need to use your hands at all to turn these on. The third one we have here ties into the Bluetooth speakers. Very similar product without the speaker component. All adjustable. This one here goes at 400 to 2000 lumen. Again, power bank to be able to charge your phone, which is really, really handy. Got quite a few of them out here, so we'll be able to charge everyone's phones up. Hopefully get some cameras charged as well. So there we have the Narva ALS range, perfect for any campsite, anybody off the beaten track that doesn't have access to power. You've got Bluetooth speakers, you've got lights, you've got portable power banks, all in one. Really, really versatile unit, IP67 rated, so if it rains, not a problem at all. Leave it out in the rain. So we're going to hand them out and see if we can light up the campsite.